Hi, Dr. Danny Scarhill here, the founder of Crawley Chiropractic Centre and the author of the books Total Health Transformation and also 80/20 Chiropractic, and the creator of the Burnout Reversal System. Now, you might be thinking, who is this guy and what is he trying to sell me? Now, they're fair questions to ask and they're valid questions to ask as well. I've got a few questions for yourself, and that is, how would you like your staff members to have more energy? How would you like them to have more focus? How would you like them to be far more productive? How would you like your team members to be present? How would you like to minimize days off work where people are absent? If any of those sound interesting to you, then I would invite you to have a conversation with us on how we can deliver free health workshops for your team. We can either do those on site in your offices, or if it's more convenient, we can do them on Zoom as well. Now, these workshops are very short, they're somewhere between 30 and 60 minutes, and they have zero cost to you. So these workshops would be absolutely free for you. And those people that go through the workshops, your team members, some of them will choose to work with us in Crawley Chiropractic Centre with us to help them improve their health, whether that be to get rid of back pain, neck pain, headaches, or some other kind of symptom that prevents them from being their best in your business. Now, if any of this sounds interesting to you, then be sure to respond to this message, and one of my assistants will get back to you to give you more information and get you booked in for the workshop, whether those workshops be on site in your offices or on Zoom if that's more convenient for you. So be sure to respond to this message as soon as possible, because space is limited in terms of the free workshops that we can deliver for companies. So don't delay, get in touch with us as soon as possible to secure your space for the free workshops for your company to help your staff boost productivity, boost energy, ultimately make more profit for your company. If that sounds interesting to you and that sounds like it'd be useful to you, then don't delay, get in touch with us and we'll have a conversation to get you booked in to do a workshop for your team. All the best, look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.